So then you have something a little bit more Frenchy, like in the, this is the E, letter E. This is typically Debussy, Ravel, because it's one chord, and coming back to the first chord. And you have some rallentando possible. It's not written, but it's very sensible. This is typically Prélude à l'après-midi d'un faune. So this part is pochissimo meno, it's written. I mean, grazioso, it is written grazioso. This is more Frenchy. So, espressivo. And there is something, a little bit addition mistake, because all that part is meno mosso. And now the tempo primo will come back. Here, okay? Here is the piano solo, ta 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 ta, is coming back. This is the tempo primo. This is the letter H. About this solo cadenza, you notice that I use the thumb position instead of like this, because I think it's interesting to be free in your head and to understand how is written the music and to have adequate fingerings. So the scale is one tone, one semitone, one tone, one semitone. It is semitone, tone, semitone, tone. Some people will say maybe it's not possible to keep the fingers like this, so I play out of tune, so I play. I say yes, okay, you are free. But probably it's because you don't quit number one. In this, you have to quit number one. You don't need it anymore. If you quit number one, your number two reach the right note and the number three reach the right note. I warranty you. So I play in the transition 1-4. The two notes are not in the process, and the process is beginning here. So I make transition. Okay, now 1-4, give me the opportunity to go with my thumb on E. Okay? And here it's very, very easy because I know that there is only a semitone delay when I go to the next string. Okay, so it's a very nice fingering with the thumb position. Okay.